I did great, and to celebrate, I'm gonna throw a party. So let's throw a party. It was so fun at school. We went to a field trip. Oh, create a party. We went to a field trip. We learned how to, so yeah. Oh my god! What? What? Help me! Look. Phew. I looked so newbie and scared. Oh yeah. I have a bunch of likes. And now. Big dance floor. I got a big dance floor so you guys can dance. Ah! Okay, why is she screaming at me? Like, I threw a party, and now she's like, okay, hola. But why does she have to scream that? Is my question. Why does she have to scream it at me? Oh my god, she's screaming at me. Should at least say it nicely. Right? She doesn't have to say hola. She could say hola. Seriously. Beanbag chair or watermelon thingy. I choose my room. I think everybody's in my room. Yup. Hello. Hello, people. Hello. Are you guys having fun? I hope you're having fun. Seriously? Oh well. I'm gonna change this. Nope. 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 I hate cats. Yes! Neon cat. I love the neon cat though. Neon cat, neon cat, neon cat. Look at that little tail wagging. Yes, I love that. Okay, I'm gonna end this party, so I have to put away stuff. Yes. Return this to the attic. Yes. Okay. Oh well, I'm gonna tell these people, get out! And then they're gonna get out. Bye-bye. Okay. Get out, people. Get out, get out, get out, get out, get out. Oh my god, they won't get out. Get out! A few days later. Ding dong. Ooh, that must be mail. Let's see. Thank you for the mail. So it says, Dear Princess Alana, I know you have been working hard in school and you have been making great progress. Why should we expel you? I think that you're ready to come back. Thank you for being a great person. I hope to see you tomorrow. Your plane ticket is here. Ooh, a plane ticket. See you tomorrow. Bye. Oh my gosh. I get to go back. Yes, I get to go back. I get to go back. I get to go back. Okay, and I am going back. I'm gonna go take the airplane. Bye-bye. Okay, I'm on the plane, and for some reason, it's going like this. Whee! Okay, what is happening up there in the VIP lounge? Oh my gosh, this airplane is gonna crash. What's this all about? Oh my god. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Where is it? Where is it? I need the plane. Okay, I'm coming. Let this plane be an actual good plane, probably. Okay. Oh well, I'm going. I am back at the Royal High School, and I'm super happy about that. Please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you later. Bye. I don't have a lot of time, so bye.